Do you know how many types of parts of speech in English?
Sir, 8.
Yes. Could you tell me their names, please?
Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjection.
Definitely, these are the 8 parts of speech. What is noun, Priyansi?
Noun is a naming word.
What is pronoun?
Pronoun is a replacing word.
What is verb?
Verb is an action word.
We use first form of verb in which tense?
Present simple.
We use second form of verb in which tense?
Past simple.
We use will plus first form in which tense?
Future simple.
We use EJMR actioning in which tense?
Present continuous.
We use both were actioning in which tense?
Past continuous.
We use will be actioning in which tense?
Future continuous.
We use has, have plus third form of verb in which tense?
Present perfect tense.
We use had plus third form of verb in which tense?
Past perfect tense.
We use will have plus third form of verb in which tense?
Future perfect.
We use has, have been plus actioning in which tense?
Present future tense.
Present perfect continuous tense. Yes guys, and this is the tense which we are learning now these days. मैं खेल रही हूँ.
I am playing.
I am playing. मैं सो रही हूँ.
I am sleeping.
मैं गा रही हूँ.
I am singing.
Singing. मैं टीवी देख रही हूँ.
I am watching TV.
मैं जा रही हूँ.
I am going.
मैं खा रही हूँ.
I am eating.
Yes guys, तो each MR एक्सनिंग कौन सा टेंस होता है मेरे बच्चे? जब हम each MR एक्सनिंग या जिस ये सेंटेंस आपने कौन से टेंस में बनाए हैं?
Present continuous.
Yes guys, each MR एक्सनिंग इज ओनली फॉर द प्रेजेंट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस. और इसी में अगर हम टाइम ऐड कर दें, जैसे मैं 2 घंटे से टीवी देख रही हूँ, मैं 10 मिनट से खाना खा रही हूँ, मैं यानी कि से 1 घंटे से गाना गा रही हूँ, मैं 2 साल से इंग्लिश सीख रही हूँ, मैं सुबह से होमवर्क कर रही हूँ, तो कौन सा टेंस बन जाएगा?
Present perfect continuous tense.
Definitely. Thank you so much, Priyansi, and thanks to your parents also to give me this wonderful opportunity to teach you. Thank you so much, बच्चे.